Welcome to our roundup of the best car wash soaps. Essential products designed to keep your vehicle clean, shiny, and well-maintained at all times. Whether you're removing dirt, grime, or road contaminants, a high-quality car wash soap can make a big difference in protecting your vehicle's paint. Modern car wash soaps are formulated with pH-balanced solutions, high foaming action, and advanced lubrication to reduce scratches during washing. Many options also include wax-safe formulas, streak-free finishes, and compatibility with foam cannons or bucket washing. Choosing the right car wash soap can improve cleaning results, protect your paint, and enhance overall shine. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car wash soaps available right now. Starting with the Giant Bathe Car Wash Soap. This model is a great option for users looking for premium detailing performance with gentle care and long-lasting protection. It typically features a pH-neutral formula that cleans effectively without stripping wax or sealant from your car's surface over time. The highly concentrated solution produces rich foam and excellent lubrication, helping reduce swirl marks during washing and improving overall safety. Giant Bathe is known for its slickness, allowing wash mitts to glide smoothly over paint while lifting dirt safely and efficiently every time. Many users appreciate its ability to maintain coatings and deliver a clean, glossy finish after every wash with minimal effort. Additionally, it delivers consistent cleaning performance and reliable results. It also improves paint protection, enhances smoothness, and supports safe washing routines. Next up is the Turtle Wax Car Wash Soap, a versatile and dependable option designed for everyday car cleaning needs with reliable and consistent performance. This soap typically offers strong cleaning power combined with a gentle formula that helps preserve your vehicle's paint finish over time and repeated use. It often produces thick foam that lifts dirt and grime easily, while reducing the risk of scratches during washing for better results. Turtle Wax products are widely appreciated for their affordability and reliable performance across different vehicle types and conditions. Many users like its easy-to-use formula, which works well with both bucket washing and foam cannons for added flexibility and convenience. Additionally, it provides steady cleaning performance and consistent results after each use. It also improves ease of use, enhances cleaning efficiency, and supports regular car maintenance. Moving on to the PNS pH Balanced Car Wash Soap. This model is known for its professional-grade performance and safe cleaning formula used by detailing experts worldwide. It typically features a pH-balanced composition that ensures effective cleaning without damaging wax, sealants, or coatings on your vehicle even with frequent washing. PNS products are often used in professional detailing, making this a trusted option for achieving high-quality and reliable results every time. The soap usually creates rich foam and provides excellent lubrication to minimize swirl marks and scratches during washing for safer use. Many users appreciate its consistent performance and ability to clean thoroughly without leaving residue behind on the surface. Additionally, it delivers reliable cleaning results and smooth washing experience. It also enhances safety, improves surface care, and supports long-term paint protection. Stepping up in performance, the Adams Mega Car Wash Soap offers a balance of powerful cleaning and premium quality results for serious car enthusiasts. This model typically includes a highly concentrated formula that generates thick foam and strong cleaning action for removing stubborn dirt and contaminants effectively without damage. Adams Polishes is known for high-quality detailing products, and this soap reflects that with its advanced formula and impressive performance capabilities. It often features a pleasant scent and works well with foam cannons, making the washing process more enjoyable, efficient, and satisfying overall. Many users appreciate its strong performance and ability to leave a streak-free, glossy finish after washing with professional-level results. Additionally, it delivers efficient cleaning power and consistent results across different conditions. It also improves cleaning strength, enhances shine, and supports professional-level detailing. Taking the top spot is the Chemical Guys Car Wash Soap, a highly advanced and widely popular option designed for maximum performance, versatility, and professional-grade cleaning results. This model typically features a pH-balanced formula with high foaming action that safely removes dirt while protecting paint, wax, and sealants during every wash. Chemical Guys soaps are known for their thick foam, excellent lubrication, and compatibility with foam cannons for a complete and satisfying washing experience. Many versions also include gloss-enhancing properties that leave your vehicle looking clean, shiny, and well-maintained after every wash session. Users appreciate its strong performance, ease of use, and reliable results across different vehicles, weather conditions, and environments. Additionally, it delivers fast and effective cleaning performance with consistent outcomes. It also stands out for its versatility, advanced formulation, and overall value. All of these car wash soaps serve different needs depending on features, formula, and usage. The Giant Bathe soap offers premium gentle cleaning with coating safety. The Turtle Wax soap provides reliable performance at an affordable level. The PNS soap delivers professional-grade pH-balanced cleaning. The Atom soap offers strong foam and high-quality detailing results. And the Chemical Guys soap stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car wash soaps, from simple everyday cleaners to advanced detailing solutions designed for maximum performance. Whether you're maintaining your car's shine, protecting its paint, or achieving a professional-level clean at home, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your car looking its best with the right car wash soap.